Hey everybody, Chef P here. Very quick Tips Tuesday. Where I live just went into a 2-week lockdown. Busy couple days trying to get everything ready so that we can do a lockdown. My one tip for this week is you got a lot of time now. Practice cooking, practice doing whatever in the kitchen. Take the time and try different things. There's lots to play with and there's lots to try and learn and do while we go into this 2-week lockdown to try and get ahead of this pandemic. So don't hesitate to play around and try different things. Tomorrow's supposed to be 18 degrees. It's beautiful barbecue weather. Try different marinades, try different rubs, do different things. I like to buy one of the Costco things of chicken thighs, and then you can put 2 or 3 different experiments on different pieces of chicken, and then you can grill them all at the same time and try 1 or 2 or 3. It's great. So with burgers, you can make some burgers and have all the different types that you want to try. That's kind of the tip I have. Stay safe, wear a mask, show distance, get your shot if you can, get tested if you can, all the regular things. We need to come out on the other side so that you can keep cooking. I got 2 books for this week because we got kind of really quick Tips Tuesday. The first book is, if you really want to get, like, this is it. This is like, there's everything, and it's step by step. Obviously, it's the classic Joy of Cooking. It is step by step. I'm not a huge fan of all of the recipes. I've made some of the recipes from some of this, especially the blondies recipe. It's really good. Like a brownie, but no chocolate. Really good. But there's a lot of good information here, especially like creme caramels, and I find a lot of the baking from Joy of Cooking is really good. The other one, it's called Ratio, and what it does is it breaks down things into their like ratios. A good example, if you're gonna make bread, you really just need 5 parts flour and 3 parts liquid, a little bit of yeast. That's it. Like, there's not much. Like, obviously it explains it more, but there's a cool little wheel on the front of the cover that I was just reading the numbers off of. But pie dough, everybody knows that it's 3-2-1, 3 flour, 2 fat, and 1 liquid, and you'll get a pie dough. You can add ice water if you want, or vinegar, or any of the other things. Doesn't really matter. Basic pie dough and how you mix it together is 3-2-1. So this is a really good book for that. Or like salad dressings, which is 2-1. 1 part vinegar and 2 parts oil. If you add a little bit of an emulsifier, so egg yolk or Dijon mustard, and it'll go together. These are 2 really good books to play with over the next 2 weeks when you got tons of time on your hands and tons of space in the kitchen. Send the kids outside, do something cool for supper. Chef P, thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry it's a quick one. We'll be back to normal next week because I'm gonna do a whole bunch of videoing, I guess, while everybody's in the house. We'll see. But we'll definitely be back with a regular Tips Tuesday. Please stay safe. Please please share this. Just stay safe and make good food. See you next time.